Hello, this is Sandy with Needs a Ribbon, and I'm bringing you another edition of Let's Kit Together, where we make our kits, one of Stampin' Up's great kits, together. And today we will be doing the Hollycocks card kit, and it is item 164458 in the United States. 164458. And it didn't have any overwrap. If you have been to my Let's Kit Togethers before, so let's go ahead and just dig in, shall we? It looks like it must be a knot stamping kit. It is a knot stamping kit. I did not know that. And you guys know, again, if you've watched me before, I just order them or get them with the paper pumpkin. I don't peek ahead. I mean it when I say let's get together, as in we're going to learn from each other. So more like you're going to learn from me, but you know what I mean. So let's go ahead and get this opened up. And yeah, let's go ahead and get this opened up. It's like my hands aren't working today. Weird. Okay. So with the Hello Hollycocks, this is our kit. It makes 3 each of 3 card styles, so 9 total cards. Envelopes look like they're all the same, which is fine. Our colors are Daffodil Delight, Calypso Coral, Flirty Flamingo, Old Olive, Peach Pie, Petal Pink, and Pretty Peacock. They're actually kind of my jam colors. Not gonna lie about that. So remember with our kits, when we open up this first flap, that tells us what our project pile groups are. So here's the envelopes. We get 9 of them. And what do I usually say about envelopes? If they're really pretty, consider mailing your card. I'm sorry, wow. In a normal white, one of our whisper white envelopes or something. Cut this off and use this as paper for something, especially since it has adhesive on it. It's just an idea. Not saying you need to do that or not. Wow, those are some funky glitter dots. Kind of like those. So, because there's 9 cards, we are only going to make one of each today. So there's one, that's card 2. And I'm going to put the others aside. This is for card 1. We'll see how far I can get on the piles. Card 3 is the Old Olive something or other. And because this is a kit, not a paper pumpkin kit, it's a global kit, I'm already seeing we have our words in English, US English, or English, French. I don't know which one is German and Dutch, so I really don't, I'm not even going to guess, but it comes in the 4 languages that we offer our stuff in, where our markets are. So we need for, I'm hesitant, you know what? It looks like we're just going to put this with card 1. And I don't really want to peel this off the sheets because I'll lose them. We'll put this with card 2 because it looks like we kind of go from there. That goes with card 1 and card 3. We'll make little piles. This looks like it's going to go really fast though. And should we go ahead? Yeah, we don't have any stamping to do. So this goes with card 1, our Hello pennant piece. Card 2 is Thinking of You. And card 3 is Thanks, which is on a different sheet. Oh, we need one of these for card 2. Thanks, or merci. You know, these are great if you've got people who live global or, um, speak different languages or just like receiving that more foreign feel. So these are my piles. That's card 1 that I've set aside. Card 2 has the flowers and that, and then card 3 so far is just this. And we'll go from there. Okay, let's get started. This is card 1. Are we ready, set, go? So we're using tear and tape. Okay, that are mostly tear and tape and dimensionals. Look like I don't see any glue dots. So let's get our stuff out of our little cute zippies. By the way, if you need to package up small little items, save the zippies from your Ziploc bags from your kits. Just saying. They can be really handy. So for card 1, I mixed up my piles and showing you guys. That's okay. It's fine. It's not that complicated. So for card 1, remember, outside in and inside out. And that almost needs nothing, but for those that are extra, add a little bone folder action. We'll set that aside. And then it looks like we bring in, I assume these are Hollycocks since it's called Hello Hollycocks. If you've been with me a while, you know I am horticulturally illiterate, as it were. So I'm going to guess we need this big fat piece punched out. And we'll put that stuff aside. So we need to take our 3-piece Hello Hollycock. That is a mouthful. And put a little piece of tear and tape behind the middle. Okay. I have a feeling this is going to go really fast. We need to take our Calypso coral piece and flip it over. There is no up or down or right or wrong or left or right. Put a piece of tear and tape behind that. And looking ahead, I am going to just flip this over. So the indent is on the left. And go ahead now. We're just going to get all of our adhesive work done. Normally my first step is stamping, but there is no stamping on this kit. So we're going to do, for each card, we're going to do all the adhesive work first. It's just looking at this, given that having done enough of these kits, that just seems to make the most sense. So step 1 is, well, that's kind of, okay, do you see that instruction? So we've done step 1. We put our tape behind there. Step 2, they're saying we put our Hello Hollycock over our Calypso coral piece and then put it on. I'm going to recommend right off the bat, by the way, we need to have a garbage. We need to talk about our garbage. Sandy forgot her bowl once again. Peel that off. Make sure your fold is on the left. We're going to put this just a little beyond the halfway point and in about a 1/4 of an inch. That's what it looks like they're recommending. We're going to peel off our Hollycocks and put that on somewhere over here. We're going to, wow. Okay, this is fast, you guys. Everybody should be doing this kit. And then we're going to put that kind of like that. Whoa. And then these are all the same size, which makes decisions nice. So we need, on step 4, I just kind of cruised by the steps. We need 3 of these really pretty dots. And that's where they place them. You see that? 1, 2, and 3. That's about where they place them. Moving on. Card 2. Wow. This is going remarkably fast. Card 2. Let's get our card base ready right away before we dig in. Again, you do not need a bone folder to do these. With this one, it doesn't even, wow. It doesn't even look like we need scissors. So we're going to put our card base aside. And for this, we need this piece, the Calypso Coral and Petal pink polka dotty thing. We need the Thinking of You flipped over. We'll come back to that. We need one of these old olive spriggy looking things. And these, they're not all the same. So we need, okay, we need the shorter pretty peacock ones. Is that correct? Yes. Yep. So the longer ones, that must be for card 3 then. So there is a difference. I've messed up on kits on that recently. So let's flip over our little flag. Let's get all our tear and tape done. So we've separated our pieces. We're going to put our tear and tape on, and just remember, you'll need to repeat this 3 times for each card. And we need to put a little bit of tear and tape. We need to flip our sprigs over. I made that a little bit big. And we need to put some dimensionals behind that. 4 is what they're recommending, and I would say 4 is a good number. So we've done our taping adhesive work. We're going to, I've messed up. Did you guys catch that? Okay, so wrong tear and tape does not go behind. I didn't look at the picture closely, and you probably didn't either. Our tear and tape goes on the front of those little sprigs. Okay. And now I see why. Okay, this is why we kit together, because it isn't always obvious. We're going to flip this over, make sure our bend is to the right, and now we're going to take the backing off of our little sprigs. I'm going to put that behind. Behind. They kind of have the old wall of one. They have them kind of layered up. Yep, they layered them up like that. Okay, and then we're going to press that in somewhere like that. Okay. And we're going to, oh, I guess we're going to peel off the backing of all of this. That's fine. A little extra adhesive work never hurt anybody. Well, oh, it's not sticking because of my mess up. So if I take off all the backing, we're good. We're good, we're good. It's very sticky now. And we're going to place that maybe about a 1/2 inch up and a 1/4 inch in from the bottom. Actually, if your point kind of goes along that angle line, that's a good, based on their instructions, that's a good marker. And we need to remove step 4. We need to remove our backing. Why have I not done this kit? Heck of easy and beautiful. And now we need 3 more of these beautiful little dots. And I cannot tell. Okay, they have them going up like that. So there's card 2. You see those? Okay, moving on to card 3. Wow, this is a shorty today. Let's get our card base ready. Make sure our fold is on the left. We need to flip our instructions over. Okay, so this is just garbage. This is needed. We're going to punch out our little frame. And we're going to flip this over and, oh, and we need our tall peacock sprig. So make sure you're grabbing one of the tall ones. And Sandy has learned you put the tear and tape on the front. So let's get our adhesive work done. Put a little piece up front there. This looks like it's all dimensional work. So we'll put one there in the corner, and 3 up the other side. And we need to, okay, we need to flip our thanks over and put some tear and tape. I almost got it the wrong way. That's fine. That's our kit. Do it our way. Little piece behind there. And flip this over the Calypso coral piece, and we need to put 2 dimensionals behind that. So let's go back to instruction 1. We've done our adhesives. Step 2, we're going to put, we're going to take the backing off of our pretty peacock piece, and it looks like they want us to nestle it somewhere behind our framed hollycocks. I mean, those are hollycocks? No. I was going to say the adhesive is going to show, but it's not, because the greeting goes over that. So something like that. Then we looks like we take the backing off of our dimensionals. And it looks like that goes right on the center of the card front. And make sure your fold is on the left, always. Okay. And we need to take the backing off of our thanks and place that over our Calypso coral piece. And remove the dimensional backings. And we're going to cover that right up like that. And then we need 1, 2, 3. Oh, these are so pretty. And just like that, we have made our Hello Hollycocks kit. So let's take another look with the envelopes this time, because we didn't do that. This beautiful kit. I don't have those in, yeah, I have those in the right order. And there's our Hello Hollycocks kit, 164458. Did I remember that right? I did, in the US. And I hope you've enjoyed this edition of Let's Kit Together. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel if you are not, because it really does help me grow my ability to offer you more of these. And we'll see you next time. This has been Sandy with Sandy with Needs a Ribbon. Bye.